So let's create another task while we're at it here. We're going to do a second task. You can go ahead and click Add Task, or you can just start typing in that Enter a Task Name field. So let's say we want to make sure we talk to our IT team, or let's talk to SWICKtech about networking. We're going to go ahead and set a due date for this. Maybe this will be a couple weeks out. We want to make sure we get this done. And I think this is something for Megan. So I'm going to go ahead and click Assign and add Megan to this task. And then I'm going to go ahead and add that task. We can go ahead and go into that task then, and maybe I want to make a checklist for Megan to know exactly what I want her to do on this task. So let's just include some tasks here. She needs to contact SWICKtech. We can go ahead and click Enter to add that item and just keep going down the list here to add more checklist items. So we should provide them floor plans and schedule a visit. And then we should actually have the on-site visit to review the space. We'll want to confirm where the network closet is in our new office. And then we'll actually want to order the new equipment and maybe even schedule an install date. So you can see as I add these items to this task list, Megan can even already check parts of it off as she's done them. We can show these on the card, or we can not, and you can see when I click that, it automatically updates it here right on the plan card. And if we choose to show them, it's only going to show the items that still need to be checked off. So if you want to view the full checklist, you can click back into that task and view the entire task list. And it looks like Megan has also already commented on this plan, or on this task, letting us know that we've got some good ideas for new technology. Let her know, go ahead and add them to the checklist. And that's a great, quick, easy way to keep track of things on this task, but not have it in email or a separate place. And then let's go ahead and jump back into that task real quick, and we'll go ahead and mark this as maybe a medium priority for now. And it's building related, so we'll go ahead and choose the building label and the medium label. And clearly Megan has already started on this task, so we'll go ahead and mark it as in progress. And let's give it a start date of today, since that's when we created the task. All of that's going to save automatically, so once you've got that up to date, you can close that and you're going to see that task information here.